So we ran out of K-cups, so I'm having to use the last cappuccino one we have. We had coffee, but I can't find the reusable filter, so I'm gonna have to probably buy a new one and also get some K-cups. So good morning, guys. Today is Friday. I'm so excited today is Friday because it's almost the weekend. So let's get our Friday started. I actually don't know if I've even tried this cappuccino. Seth usually drinks. I just ran out of storage, but yeah, Seth usually drinks these. So actually it's been a long time since I have tried it, but I'm gonna go outside and drink this and go get my laptop so I can work on my homework. Literally so nice and peaceful out here, and the sun is coming up over there. Good morning, guys. I am currently sitting outside on our back deck and the sun is coming up over there. But yeah, I'm gonna work on some homework and get my day started in a positive mood. So I'm ready. It's a little after 12 and I'm about to head out. We have a lot to do this evening, so I'll check back in with you guys this evening. So the office is coming along. Not really much has changed in here. I got some pictures that I'm wanting to hang up on this once I get some little clips for it or find my clips. And then yeah, my desk is messy right now, but I also bought a shower curtain for in here. So I got this one at Ross yesterday. Super cute. I also got some clothes at Ross I need to show you guys, but I'm gonna hang that one up in here. Bailey's playroom's a huge mess, but we did get her curtains hung up in here, which are super cute. Good morning, guys. So today is Saturday. We have a ton of stuff to do today, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with us on everything that we are getting done today. So let's get started. So Seth went to charge the battery to the drill right now, but we have been working trying to put this bed together. Bailey's been helping. Can you show Mama how you've been working? Been working on the closet some. I need to hang all of my clothes up, which are all right here. So the bed's coming along. Seth has been working super hard on it. This bed is so cute and it actually matches our carpet, so yeah. So we finally got the bed put together. It looks so cute. Bailey and Seth are trying it out. It looks so good. It's literally so cozy in here at night, but I'm about to turn these lamps off because we're leaving. So yeah, this is the fit. This is like a 9 p.m. 10 p.m. Walmart run and Applebee's. So yeah, so we got some cuties in here putting Bailey's bed together. Are you helping Daddy? Yeah, you're helping Daddy. So we're making it the toddler bed, and Seth's been in here working on it. So it's coming along. We got this piece put on there, and now we got to put the mattress and stuff on and find Bailey's sheets and blankets and stuff. Red eyes, strobe lights moving close. Wow! You have a big girl bed. Oh my goodness. We gotta get your blankets and your pillows, okay? So we got Bailey's bed made. All our pillows and blankets on here. It's so cute. She loves it. So Bailey's got her cute little lights on in here. And she's over here laying. Do you like your new bed? Yeah. Yeah. Good night, baby. Are you going to bed right now? In your new bed? Huh? Okay, good night.
turning into concrete. So bittersweet. Huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the lower, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, and maybe just a better kind of bitter. Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the quicksand. Up to my knees. Keep losing sleep, I'm manic, dream at midnight. So hard to please. Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker.
So this is today's OOTD Calvin shirt from Ross and Fabletics leggings. So yeah, super cute. Our house is also a disaster because we still haven't unpacked our boxes. So look over that, but I'm getting ready to leave. I gotta get Bailey ready first and then I'm heading out. So let's get our Monday started. Got him? Okay, let's go. Come on.
Even when I'm down in the lower, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, and maybe just a better kind of bitter. Bitter, 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 bitter.
So I just got out of class. It is raining. I had a quiz today in my it's like a pharmacology type class, and so yeah, I don't know what I made on it yet, but I do have a lot of homework and stuff to do this evening, and also some focus assessments and skill checkoffs to perform tomorrow. So I'll show you guys how that I study for those, and yeah, let's just keep carrying on with our day. I ordered some food, so I'm about to go pick that up, and then yeah, we'll see what else we're getting into today. Let's go.
I gotta tell you something I could do. I could be running around chasing you, but I won't. Cause I got better things to do. Rather spend my precious time chasing somebody who loves me too. If I got $1 for it.
I just smelled of this and it actually smells super good, so I think I'm gonna try this one. The next thing that I needed to get is the toy bin and stuff for Bailey's room. I'm just getting 2 of the light pink colored ones, so those. And I also want to get this laundry basket. So got it. Next thing that I want to get is like some sort of hand towel for mine and Bailey's bathroom in between my office and her toy room. So I'm thinking probably this one because it's super cute and it matches the shower curtain that I got. So probably gonna get this one. So getting 2 of these, and then they also have these other ones on clearance, like the gray and the purple one. So I'm thinking I may get a gray for our bathroom. So I have this new vanilla pumpkin marshmallow candle burning. It smells so good. My stepmom got it for me today and I'm so excited about it. So I have that burning, and I'm gonna show you guys this package that I got today. I'm gonna open this. It's from Fabletics. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I'm so excited about these, and then they always send all kinds of like coupons and stuff with their orders. But like I said, these are my all-time favorite leggings, and I love the power hold ones. So I think all of the ones I got are power hold. So These are the high-waisted power hold in black. So I'm gonna open this and show you guys. I mean, I got 2 pairs of the black. But they are so nice and black. These are so silky, so nice. So they look like this. I love them so much. So I'm gonna try these on here in a second. But those are the black. And then let's see, these are also black. And then these are, wait, how many blacks did I get? Yeah, so these are the gray ones. They look like this. And then another pair of the black ones. And then I got a pair of this pink color. This is Orchid Smoke. They're also like so soft and silky. So yeah, this is what the pink ones look like. So I'm gonna go try these on and then I'll show you guys probably again what they look like on. So yeah, it's my Fabletics haul for you guys. I don't really know if you guys can see these or not, but here is the pink ones. Super cute and so comfortable. I'll show you guys the back. They are so, they like fit so well. I love these so much. I love the pink ones. They're so cute. This light probably helps a little bit now that I have it on, but yeah, these are the pink ones. These are Orchid Smoke in the Power Hold leggings, and they're so comfortable, you guys. Like, I literally can't get over how comfortable they are, and like just form fitting. They fit so good. So here's the gray pair, and then I got 2 other black pairs. Probably not going to try all these on just because I have the pink ones on and they're all the same. So just going to try these pink ones on for you guys. I'm going to turn the light off so you guys can see. These lights are so cute in here. Ignore the bed. I just kind of threw it together real quick. Okay, so this is the one that I like. But yeah, these lights look so cute in here. It's finally all coming together a little bit. We still have some boxes and stuff, but yeah, it looks so cute. I love these curtain lights so much. Yeah, so we still have to mount the TV up here. We haven't done that yet. We're supposed to do it tonight possibly, and then this is kind of a mess right now, but I did get some more, is it cold? I did get some more decor pillows that are super cute, but I do want to show you guys over here because I've kind of done quite a bit, sort of. Anyways, so I put a bunch of like fall stuff out. So I put this stuff out, little pumpkins and just some of that stuff. I also put stuff up here. I don't know if you guys can see that really good, but yeah, I can't really get back up there. I had to stand on the counter to put it up there. I need to put all these dishes in the dishwasher, but I also got this new cleaner that is so good. It is the citrus, yuzu, and vanilla, and it's Home and Planet multi-purpose cleaner spray. So yeah, this is super good. It smells so good. And I got this. This is new from Walmart, and I actually got it because I got this tablecloth at Marshall's and those little napkins at Marshall's. I wanted to get this in the tablecloth, but they didn't have it anymore. And this is a little centerpiece that I just kind of put together, and it's super cute. And I just have this maple hazelnut candle in here. So yeah, this is my little table in here. It's so cute. And then the pantry is kind of a mess, but I got some new stuff over here. So we got, I put out this little tray with K-cups in it. These 2 mugs are new, and I love both of those. And yeah, that's kind of it so far. This tote is like fall stuff that I've been putting out. So yeah, we're getting there. So Bailey's having her nighttime sippy, and hopefully gonna go to bed soon because it's like almost midnight and I have homework and stuff to do. So yeah, but I know she's super tired. What are you doing? What are you doing? You going night night?
No.
You're not? Okay. You want chips?
No.
Yeah, almost forgot to mention that Seth hung this up for me today. I got this at Marshall's. I'm gonna hang our keys and stuff on it. But yeah, that's super cute. Everything's just coming together. And it's so cute. Yeah, so I really love this bedroom. These curtain lights in here though, they're so like homey and cozy. And yeah, everything's just coming together. So we just put all of our keys on here. So yeah, this is what this little thing looks like. It's so cute. It's starting to just feel so homey in here, and I'm so excited. So I did a little bit of cleaning this morning. I straightened the couch up in here and made the bed and stuff in here. And then in the kitchen, I just kind of wiped on the counters and cleared everything off. So everything's pretty clear in here. So yeah, opened up these windows a little bit so you can see the back deck. Super cute. And so yeah.